Given access to this one is a spa balcony room 1032 is the one I'll be doing, but generally the spa balconies will look the same, but I'm going to be doing one of 1032, so I'm going to go in. And this is not my room. This was I want to thank Carnival in advance for accommodating this request. So they are allowing me access to two different rooms. Let me bring it back over here. So they're giving me access to two different rooms that people had asked about, which was the spa balcony, and the other one is the aft balcony. So I'll have this video and I'll have an aft balcony video, so look for those if you're going to be staying in one of those and want to know what it looks like. So again, thank you, Carnival. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for granting me that request. And here we go. So let me I'll put my card in, and so we can get us some light here. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go start at the balcony and probably work my way, but just to get a general layout, you have your couch over here, and then this one has a king size bed. I'm sure they can accommodate two twins if you're traveling with somebody that you know you don't want to have a king bed for. But again, this layout here is a king bed with the couch. Everything else is pretty much standard, but we'll cover it and look at it, of course. But let me get out to the balcony so you can have a balcony view here. Watch your step. It comes out. There's like a little thing that comes up out of the ground. But so the balcony is not large. I mean, it's enough for two people just to kind of sit and look. As you can see, I want to try to give you a general idea of, so here it is behind me. I don't know if you can see. So it's not very wide. Yeah, but it's okay again for two people just sitting out here. It's nice. Oh, look at this. We're in Catalina Island as I'm filming this video. Catalina is beautiful. But so you've got your two chairs and the little table there. So again, not real large. Let me open this and maybe try to give you a better view. So yeah, but it's nice, it's workable. And let me go back in, make sure the doors close behind me. Okay, so as you can see, there's a nightstand right here over to the right side of the bed. Then of course you have your two lights there, and I don't think I'm gonna be pleasantly surprised with any USB ports or anything, no. But you have your, you know, main light switch, and then you can keep your night lights on if you need to. It'll turn off all the other lights as you turn that off. My assumption is that you'll be able to make this a regular bed. I'll confirm, but there's some storage here. I'm not going to open it again because they're going to need to reuse this room, but there's storage underneath there. Yeah, this was a no-show room. You can see somebody was supposed to have gifts, but they have plenty of storage here and here and here. So I'll open up the drawers just so you have a general idea of how much space you have. So that's my hand in there. And let's go one more again. So yeah. And oh, they're self-closing. That's nice. And then you got these cabinets here. Okay. And then some more here. That's where your hair dryer is and laundry bag and all that. Another nice, you know, good sized drawer. Another one. Need a general idea. Same thing, you know, shelving, 120 volts, USB, 2 USB. That's your mirror light there. You know, small size TV, but not terrible. And general closet. So you got your top shelf, your hangers, and then your cooler down here. And this one actually has a shelf. Mine doesn't have a shelf in my room. If you watch my room tour of 2208, and it's vented here, so make sure you don't cover up those vents so that it will stay cool. It needs that ventilation. This one's got the robes, the spa balcony robes, or Cloud 9 Spa, excuse me, robes in here, because it's a spa balcony. And then more hanging space, and you can put your luggage or whatever else down there. And one last storage space. So you got that down there, that up there, and of course your safe And here's the instructions. Mine didn't have this, and I was trying to explain it, but here it is. So in case anybody wants to know how it works, there's the instructions for the safe. It's pretty easy. All right, one last thing. Oh, the again, the controls, you know, here, so you can make it cooler or warmer. And the restroom seems like, you know, again, standard, nothing special here. Again, in the spa balcony, you've got all of your stuff down here, and then the shelving on both sides if there's two of you and you want to use it. Hello. Your towels, your toilet, and then, you know, of course, you know, if you want to hang your towels, you got this guy up here that goes across to there, or not hang towels, or you could hang towels or bathing suits, standard. Ooh, do they have something fancier here? What is that? Anyway, it's shower gel and shampoo, but it looks a little different than the ones we have in the standard cabin. So it looks a little bit different. Has the little name on it there. Of course, your controls for heat and then on and off, hot and cold. So close that, and then just something else I want to point out up here is another plug in case you need something that you got to plug in here, hair curler or whatever. There's an outlet right there for you. So that is the spa balcony. We're gonna head over to the aft balcony and look for that in a separate video. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon.